Rising upcoming rapper FBG Duck taking out in what police said was a drive-by shooting. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll have the details of this to come on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. Well, a rising upcoming rapper FBG Duck was shot and killed in a daylight shooting incident in Chicago at a busy shopping center. Police said that it was a drive-by shooting which involved two motor cars which then sped away. Two other persons were also injured in the shooting incident. The American rapper was taken out in the shooting incident that left the commuting public running for cover as the gunman traded bullets at the individual. It is unclear what led to the attack on the rapper. However, it is stated that he was not liked by many individuals in the area. A statement from the Chicago police confirmed the shooting incident and said that it took place around 3:37 p.m. local time, in which two other individuals were also shot. The shocking moment was also captured on CCTV. A number of his fans and friends have took to social media just in order to send their condolences to his families and friends. The other two individuals that were traveling with him that were shot still remain in hospital, and we try over our best to keep you up to date with this story. The Cook County Medical Examiner's Office confirmed that the rising hip-hop artist passed away after being shot in broad daylight while standing outside some store with his friends. FBG Duck, whose birth name is Carlton D. Wheatley, was pronounced dead after he was taken to the Northern Memorial Hospital for multiple gunshot wounds to his torso. There have been a number of videos circulating online which show the actual moment that this incident unfolded, and a number of his fans right now are very heartbroken based on the development that came out of this incident today. But we'll try over our best to keep you up to date, and we here at Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop just want to take this opportunity to send our heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of this upcoming rapper. Such a sad situation, and such a young individual, just 26 years old, and lost his life already to violent acts. This is not the very first time that we have seen situations such as these played out in the United States, because since the start of the year and even last year, we have seen a number of rappers being taken out in violent attacks. We don't really know what's really causing this. However, we try our very best to keep you up to date with this one currently. And this has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Guess what? We're out for this one. Have a blessed day.